We'll guide you through how to make door handle in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners using Blender want to learn how to model detailed objects like door handles, but find the tools and steps confusing. First, open Blender on your desktop to begin the modeling process. Then open your previous project by pressing Ctrl and O on your keyboard. Select the correct project file from your folder and open it. After the project loads, hide everything in the scene except the image reference by using the panel. Next, press numpad 1 to switch to the front view for better alignment. Bring the image reference back to the center so it is easier to follow. Then press Shift and A to add a plane to the scene. On the bottom left, extend the options and choose Align to View so the plane matches your current perspective. Press Z and select wireframe mode to see through the model clearly. Place the plane on the door handle reference and start modeling the lock knob first. Once you have finished shaping it, use the scroll mouse to adjust your view and press Z again to return to solid mode. Then unhide the door object and select the base door handle model. Press E to extrude the shape outward and set its position correctly. After that, hide the door again and press numpad 1 to return to the front view. Press Shift and A to add a cube or a cylinder, depending on your preference, to start modeling the handle. Position it on the handle area and continue modeling carefully. Once you are done, review the model by switching back to solid mode using the Z key. After that, select all parts and press Shift D to duplicate them. Move the duplicate slightly, then rotate it by pressing R, then Z, and type 180, then R, and then X, then 180 again to flip it. Next, press number 2 to switch to edge selection mode, and select all outer edges from both models. Then left-click and choose the bridge edge loop option to connect them. Repeat the same step for the remaining edges until everything is connected properly. Finally, unhide the door, review the full model together, and adjust the position slightly so it fits perfectly.